Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on how to draw, and you can see most of them on my website at christopherhartbooks.com. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a woman's face with a stylish haircut. So instead of drawing an egg shape, we're going to draw an egg shape but flatten out on the top, like that. We're going to start this way. And we can add different things to it or adjust it as we go. Don't worry about that. You can't make too many adjustments. Make any amount that seems good to you. And we'll add a nice long neck right here. Here is a center line. Eye line just about in the middle, like so. And we'll leave the eyes like this, kind of almond shaped, and tilted out this way. And we'll put these pupils toward the top so she's looking upward. I'm going to make this a little shorter. A little adjustment there. All right. Darken this. Bring the eyelashes out. Same thing over here. And now for the bottom eyelid. Nice and round. Make it look pretty much symmetrical if you can, and then add another 1 or 2 eyelashes on top. Nice straight eyebrows. And I'm also going to bring a little blackness down here. A little blackness like this. A little nose here, just an indication of the tip of the nose. Here's a nostril, and here's another nostril. Big upper lip, like so. And a smaller bottom lip. Now I'm going to bring this in because she's a little wide here. I want to make her a little bit sleeker. Face a little more like this. That's better. That's better. See how much adjusting we're doing? It's all okay. It's part of the process. It's really part of the process. And we'll bring the ear up here, close to where the eye is. And a big earring on one side, and on the same side. Measure it this way by gliding your hand across to make sure you have the same height. Okay, now we'll put a nice stylish haircut, some choppy bangs here. Like this. Round this off a little on top. This is a little extra on the side, a little extra on the side. Bring this down from the ear, hairline from the ear. So there's a hairline here, and then a hairline on the outside. Now fan this out behind here. That's the style one right there. A little crease at the mouth, right, like that. A little bit of a crease here for the upper eyelid. And I'm going to bring this up just a touch now. It's not quite so flat. It's still pretty flat, but not quite so flat. put a little shading on this. This trim, shoulders coming down here. And a little bit of shading for the upper lip, a little for the bottom lip, and back of the hair too. A little definition for the inside of the ear, just a little bit. And there we go. There's a female character. I'm going to open this up a touch. Hold on a second. Female character with a kind of cool haircut. And cut this out here. That's better. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. I have new videos I upload every Monday. And leave a comment. I would love to respond. So anyway, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.